Today we're here in Mobile for our STEM Saturday, where we're doing a hydraulics and simple machines day. So this is in partnership with Mobile Park and Rec and City of Mobile, so we can engage kids in STEM opportunities related to hydraulics and simple machines. Alright, so today kids are going to build various activities that involve hydraulics and simple machines. They're going to build a catapult that demonstrates simple machines. They're going to build a pinwheel. They're going to see wheel and axle activities. They're going to do a siphon and syringe activity where you get to siphon water from a higher cup and see how pressure and low pressure transfer water to a lower cup. They're going to also build a marshmallow presser to demonstrate hydraulics once again. And our 3rd through 12th grade kids are going to build a hydraulic bridge that's going to work using hydraulics. And our kindergarten and 2nd graders are going to build a hydraulic elevator where they can see how elevator operates using pressurized fluid with hydraulics.
Well, you have these little things right here, and you can press the thing down like this. And then when you press it down, the other one comes up. So like. When you press both of them down, there's water that transforms from one place to another, see?
Well, I just hope we expose the kids and give them a chance to see things that they don't normally see. And then it's great to learn what you don't know, what you want to do, and maybe some things that you don't want to do. So that's the one thing good about exposure. You get a chance to learn things that you might not know. And then you get a chance to learn what you want to do or what you don't want to do. So it's a great opportunity just to give them that opportunity. And when you have choices, you make better decisions later on in life.
I think this event is absolutely amazing. As a mom, I brought out my 2 kids who absolutely love science. They love building things. Their dad's an engineer. So as soon as I saw this on the schedule, I was like, okay, we have to go. I woke them up this morning and said, hey, y'all want to go build bridges? And I told them the theme was hydraulics today. They got really excited. And I just think stuff like this is very important because it allows the children to not just hear about all these different avenues or careers they could go into in the future, but they actually get to touch it, they get to experience it, they get to see it, and then they go on and tell other kids about it and they want to come. So I think it's a great experience.
Hydraulics bridge. And it works off water and tubes and syringes.
We had to use the shocks to send water so it can push the bridge upwards.